Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
All right, I've got something good to share with you guys this week. If you guys haven't already seen this was in live beta for some time now, and now things are a little bit more stable, and I'd like to share this with you guys. Basically, Ikan Bilis is actually a prop trading firm based here in Singapore, and we're looking to fund traders. And currently, if you join our Discord channel and engage with the community, you are able to get a free challenge, which usually costs $89, right? This will get you funded upwards of $10,000, and as you reach milestones, you able to get up to $100,000 in trading funds. So there are a lot of other prop trading firms out there. However, some are scams, and some and most do not have a very fair evaluation mechanism. So please do check us out and come say hi in the Discord channel. And if you'd like to know more information about this, you could check out our Medium. Look at the post. But basically, right now, if you join the Discord channel, we are giving out our token, which can be exchanged for a free trading challenge. So please do check us out. To our crypto series, this week we are presenting another alpha, the Energy Web token. So let's talk a little bit about Bitcoin. Bitcoin recently saw a break of trend to move towards the upside. The market is largely bullish, but it needs to break the 63K level. It needs to break all-time high of this year with conviction before we are really out of the woods. Otherwise, we think price for Bitcoin and hence the rest of the market will continue in this random walk. But we are long-term bullish on crypto. Energy Web token is a project that have links with major institutions in the energy space, and their GitHub repository suggests that potential integration with Coinbase is upcoming, which means maybe a Coinbase listing, which usually brings a flood of liquidity to the coin and hence heavy price action towards the upside. Now for the bull case, if price breaks out of this channel shown by the green line and holds support, we will ride it all the way to $40. For the bear case, if Bitcoin dumps, we will see odds dump even harder along with it. If this happens, we will accumulate heavily as price moves towards the bottom of the channel. Okay, so for Filecoin, the reason why we are covering it is Filecoin had a similar history with EWT in the sense that in December 2020, let's just zoom out a little bit. Okay, so in December 2020, the Filecoin GitHub repository saw similar integrations with EWT. Right, they were preparing for a Coinbase listing, which happened in December 2020. So we look back in history to see price action of EWT could potentially happen. Right, so if we see Filecoin here, we saw that back then in December 2020 was trading around the $20 to $30 region, maybe 40. Right. So Bitcoin started its run towards breaking the 20K all-time high formed back then in the 2016-2017 bull run, and stopped in January. Right. It did go up a little bit higher, but it was in January 2020 to March 2020. It was where the institutions were offloading their bags onto retail, and we didn't see much movement, right? Like the market was you chasing into higher risk coins, which saw the Filecoin pump. So what could we potentially see for EWT? So if you look at Filecoin back then, it was trading here at between $20 to $30. And then when Bitcoin stopped running and the market was chasing yield, going into higher risk assets, we saw EWT pump almost 10x. Right, 9, 8, right? But the multiple it could go up is immense, and yeah, this is something EWT could do as well. Extremely low in market cap.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.